Click on Login, enter the password, and click OK. Click on Simple Measurement to enter the measurement interface. Click on the real-time image, select the same magnification as the camera, and click OK. Click on Automatic Measurement, select the corresponding standard, and click OK. After the AS scan is completed, click on New and select Properties. Fill in the relevant data in the attributes, select the export template and export path, and click OK. Click Save as Word to generate the report.